Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can turn AI agents into a $5,000 to $12,000 product without a single line of code. And this is the exact system we've used to generate $80 million for our clients directly within a very short period of time. And guys, the best part is we're going to avoid any automation tools like N8N, Make.com, Zapier. This is exactly what's stopping most people. They want to build AI agents and AI agencies, and they're just doing too much custom development. That's not how you scale. You need to have a ready product. Let's say, for example, this Apple phone, right? If I make it once, I can just produce 10,000 of these, right? And it's the same iPhone. I can produce 10,000 and sell it to clients. So I just need to worry about marketing. But because most people don't have that, they cannot say like I have a ready product like an iPhone, it's the same for everyone, I can just resell it at scale. And this is exactly why most businesses with AI, specifically like AI agencies and AI agents, don't scale. So let me give a brief introduction about me and our company. So guys, I'm the VP of Sales and a partner at CloserX.ai. We have 3 software companies. Our company is based in Dubai. We also have a branch in India, also in the US. So around 2,847 agencies are using our system. So by this number, you can have an estimate of around 12,000 to 13,000 indirect clients are using our software. This is my estimate. I'm not really sure because agencies are reselling it to clients. We have some pretty big names and we have also smaller agencies. So anyway, who have we worked with directly? We work with Danube Properties, the 3rd biggest developer in Dubai with over 2,000 towers all across the UAE. So guys, you see these towers? If you come to Dubai, you're gonna see Danube all over the city. They've got over like 2,000 towers everywhere. So you're gonna, like when you're driving around the city, you're gonna see them everywhere. This is a company that is generating over $7 billion a year, and the CEO is the richest Indian in Dubai. So a pretty big brand, right? We've done over $8 million for Louder Online, one of the biggest marketing agencies in the world. And they've worked with Volvo, IBM, LG, Salesforce, Ford, Kia, General Motors, Target, and you can see like their brand names. You can search them up. I've got their interview here as well with the CEO, right, Aaron. Anyway, we also work with big brands like Tai Lopez. We're helping them productize and build their AI products internally. So just so you know, these are some of our direct clients. We also have a bigger list, but yeah, I was looking for a presentation. I think I might have closed it. Let me check. Oh yeah, okay. We've got other brands as well here, Century 21, Remax, Chris Weiser, Amory Shop. Like I've mentioned some of the bigger names here. So you can take a look at them. And yeah, that's about it. So let's get started. The harsh truth about building your own AI systems and why you should avoid it at all costs. Guys, there's a lot of people that are promoting these like crap products, retail AI, VAPI AI. I mean, they're good, but they're not good for scaling a business. Like these are APIs. Basically, people start building these and they cannot sell because they spend months after months building on top of these, and they're not meant to be ready products for AI agencies. They're meant to be for enterprises that are doing development and they want to build something custom. But they're not for people that, they're not built for agencies that want to resell, you understand? And they get in the loophole, like they basically start building these products, like with VAP AI, retail AI, very, very complex one. And it takes months to build, right? And this is why they cannot scale a business. They cannot sell it to 200 or 300 people. If they want to do that, they need to have like 20 developers, which simply does not make sense, right? And these are like the products, crappy AI, the result. Okay, and you're thinking you should build something like that too. You should learn all these tools and waste all your time on building. And this is exactly why you cannot scale an AI business, right? But here's the reality. Nothing scales and nothing repeats. So I gave you the good example here. Let's actually go here. First of all, right? So guys, imagine this. When you're building custom solutions using these systems, it's like you have every piece of iPhone, right? Like this. And you have to attach it together. Every time you get a client, you close a client, you have these pieces, you have to attach it and make sure it's working properly and then sell it to a client. This is just plain stupid. Why don't you just have these ready iPhones, put your brand on it and resell it? That's the smartest strategy, right? Let's say you have a ready iPhone, and but it's not branded. So you just put your own personal brand on it, sell the product. It's ready to go, right? And this is literally how you can scale. So anyway, this is what we were discussing. Each client onboarding can take you anywhere from 1 to 6 hours instead of 60 days. You literally have the same base, same logic. New client, you just sell it. You just sell them a new system. It's ready to go, right? And guys, the main thing with this is there have been many businesses that have popped up, like the oil revolution and the internet revolution. And I'm seriously not hyping AI up, but if you're not using AI right now, in 1 year, you're gonna miss it. Like if you're not selling AI at the moment to your clients, first of all, they're gonna go to other people that can deliver, and the market is just gonna be gone. You're not gonna be known as the guy that can deliver on AI, and literally like in a year from now, you're not gonna have an opportunity. I'm seriously not hyping this up. This is just a reality. We've been here for 3 years, and there's a lot of other players that have been here basically before us as well. And literally, like if you're coming late to the market, there's gonna be no market for you. People are gonna sell, and they're gonna get your clients, and you're gonna have no market. So without any like hyping or stuff like that, literally you have to come to the market right now. Otherwise, you're gonna lose it. I'm not telling you to use our software or anything. Just get to the market, learn about it, and try selling as fast as possible. Okay? Anyway. Okay. And here, one of the main issues everyone makes is showing automations and flashing n8nmake.com, right? But the end client only cares about results. What are you gonna deliver for them? How are you gonna help them? That's exactly what they care about. And guys, for our sales calls, seriously, we just make presentations like this. How can you use the AI? Who are our clients? Like very, very simple ones. That's all they care about. They wanna know how much they can make and how many meetings they can book. Let me show you, like on this same presentation, I have I have an exact presentation for solar companies that we sell, right? And that's what we show, like what is it, what does it do, how much is the price, everything like that, right? You don't need any fancy APIs or stuff like that. Companies only care about sales. And the only solution that makes sense is pre-built, rebranded, and ready to go. In 6 hours, not 72 days, okay? And I'm just gonna take a break to show you our product in the meantime, guys, so you can see. When I tell you it's ready to go, it's ready to go. So CloserX.ai, the link is mentioned down below. You're gonna get a discount if you go through that link, because I'm a member at the company and a partner. So you sign up, you get your dashboard, everything like that for your clients. Everything is gonna be ready. A new dashboard is also being installed, I think today or tomorrow. Anyway, you can go to your agency plan, you can white label everything, you can customize your domain, you can change the colors, right? You can also put your legal business name, your welcome email for your clients, like everything is ready. You connect your Stripe, and guys, the best part. So we charge 10 cents per minute for building and basically for the AI agent, right? But you can put a price of 20 cents for selling this system to your clients. Basically, you can have a margin per minute, okay? I'm gonna go to the details a bit more, and you can also customize your CSS and JavaScript, you know, to make it look with your own branding, right? You can also change the welcome page. You can change the theme. Everything is there, right? And you can see you can have all your clients. This is a demo account, obviously, but let's say you have 20 clients. You can manage all of them in one dashboard, ready to go. Their transactions, how much they're paying, how much they're making, and it's connected directly to your bank account. So they pay and you earn. Your subscription plan can be in the basically software. Plus, your basically your profit per minute can also be there. Okay, I'm gonna give you a profit estimation on how much you can make, but basically want you to know that everything will be there, built in, right? And you can templatize it and resell to your industries. Anyway, so I just showed you how you can productize the offer and sell it, and why you should avoid other products that are APIs. They're not built for scale. And the most valuable skill anyone can learn in entrepreneurship isn't coding, it's pattern recognition. Basically recognizing that right now it is the AI era and you have to build and sell AI products. But you have to do it at scale using SaaS. So basically you create your own software using our white label platform, right? You white label everything that we've done. And this is how you make money, the API arbitrage. Basically, we have a ready product that we've spent hundreds of thousands of dollars on developing, and you just white label it with a very low subscription and you resell it in 2025. So this is how you make real money. So imagine you want to sell iPhones, the exact example I told you, and you want to like attach everything together, right? But what if you have a ready iPhone, like we give you this iPhone and we tell you you can put your own brand on it. Let's say you like to put peach instead of apple, right? So I give you this exact iPhone and you put the peach logo here, and now this is yours. Why the hell would you worry about developing this? Because by the time you try to learn how to build an iPhone, the time is already past. The iPhone trend is already gone. This is the exact same thing with AI, right? You want to sell finished products. And guys, the main method that you can make money with this is taking it to a new market. Let me show you, okay? As I mentioned, you don't need to manufacture it, and overbuilding kills you. You need to let go of the technical ego and just start, selling ready products. And the best startups today are curators, not creators. Basically, these are people that build on top of other people's product. They don't want to create their own. And like imagine even Apple, right? Producing every single thing that they have themselves, like the chips, everything. It's simply not like that. They just buy these pieces from other places and they attach all of them together and they deliver iPhone. So this is the same thing you need to do. Why this model wins? First of all, if you want to go create your own SaaS, it's going to cost you around $100,000 to $1 million in dev and infrastructures, which is just simply impossible to do, right? And it's a waste of time if you go, because you have to compete with us that have 3 years of knowledge, also the other competitors. I mean, it just doesn't make sense, right? And the reason this product wins is because it's already built and it's proven to generate over $80 million, not just for us guys. We're working with a lot of agencies that are doing $500K to $1 million every single month. They're all customizing it to their own need and reselling it over and over. You can launch in under 1 hour, connect your Stripe, put your brand on it, and it's yours, right? So here's the main thing I wanted to mention. Software is 1% and the narrative is 99%. So this is how you make the real money. So you white label it, right? For example, let's say you're in solar and you have a lot of experience with residential solar companies, right? So you build a product on basically residential solar, and you put your own headline on it with your own branding. The AI sales closer for solar in California, right? You can put your own name on it. Or the WhatsApp assistant for real estate in London. So this is how you niche it and you become the narrative. So by using this, like our product is very broad, right? You become the niche and you become the narrative in your city or in your country. Or the Arabic receptionist AI for clinics in Dubai. Or the cold caller for logistic firms in Germany. Okay, so there's a lot of different narratives that you can create. But anyway, I've talked about AI agencies overall. What does our product actually do and how can you use it? So guys, our product is made for building AI callers. This can be for inbound as well as outbound, right? And let's listen to a sample here.
Hello.
Got my mic here.
Hello. Is this Luis?
Yes.
This is Jennifer from. Are you still the homeowner of the property?
Yes, I am a homeowner.
Well, the reason for my call is that there's a new government program that just rolled out in your area. It offers a no-cost, out-of-pocket solar upgrade for homeowners in your neighborhood. And with this program, there's a possibility that we'll be able to reduce your electric bill by up to 70%. Has anybody come by to talk to you about this yet?
So guys, the woman on this line was an AI. We have a lot of them, but I really should update them. Anyway, this is an AI on the phone, right? And this is exactly what you can build using our product. And you're the one that can complete the narrative. But here's the best part. When you get onboarded, right, as soon as you sign up, our plans are starting from $29 minimum, right? You get a free onboarding. So we even help you with setting up your WhatsApp, email, and basically SMS campaigns. And this is how you can productize your offer. Like we help you with everything, setting up everything, and you can productize it, go niche, and resell to one industry over and over, right? Same tech, different offer. And why this is the best business to start, guys, I'm not gonna go to the details. There's like a lot of different models, drop shipping, SMMA, coaching, and affiliate. You can see For dropshipping, margins are really crushed and it's an older model. With SMMA or agencies, high churn, fulfillment hell. With here, you're selling a software. It's a system, ready to go system, ready to be deployed. Coaching, oversaturated. Affiliate, low margins, okay? And this is none of that. So AI is in demand. Everyone literally wants AI. Like when you pitch it to someone, they want AI. But whether you're the right guy to be the one to work with them or not, that's a different argument, okay? And so here's what you can do with it. You can have AI voice agents, the callers, WhatsApp, SMS bots, CRM dashboard, rebuilding systems with your own branding. So you have access to all of this. And how you stitch everything together is up to you. So guys, by having no development, you have to develop it once, right? Let's say you build this iPhone once. So it's yours. With our product, you're ready to resell it over and over, okay? You can just resell it over and over and have a ready product. You don't have to do it every single time. So we have a free onboarding meeting. If you sign up, we get you one meeting. It's a step-by-step process. You go through an onboarding. We help you set up everything and basically get your product ready to go. And this is exactly what you get in 1 hour. Your fully branded SaaS, voice, WhatsApp, SMS follow-ups, CRM dashboard and rebuilding, pre-built logic, flows and scripts. And plus, so we have higher plans. It's not for the basic plan, but if you get the highest plan, which is $297, that's for larger agencies, of course. We give you free support with a private WhatsApp group on a monthly basis, right? And so why this offer converts? Let's do a math calculation on how much you can actually make, right? So let's say you charge 2K to 5K setup for these guys. I personally sold these for 20K setup as well, but we're not gonna be discussing that. So you would charge a $2,000 to $5,000 setup for these products, right? This really depends on what you're selling and who you're selling it to. The more money they have, the more you can sell it to them. You can do $10,000, $12,000, doesn't matter, right? And a $500 to $1,000 a month retainer after you build these systems, okay? And like, don't worry about any technicals, guys. Again, if you go to the software, there's a fully technical onboarding. So I'm just gonna go through the main thing and without the software itself, okay? So here's the thing. In here, we give you like a proven system that has been working, but anyway, forget this. Let's go to the revenue potential. So with 5 clients, you could be earning anywhere from $6,250 to $12,500 monthly. And the best part I forgot, you're also earning per minute with our software, right? So let's say every call, the AI call that you just saw here, is gonna be 10 cents, right? You can sell it for 20 cents. So as long as your clients are making calls, you're having a 10-cent margin automatically being made, okay? And if you have 100 clients, you can earn $150,000 to $250,000 a month. So you can see the scalability of this, right? And what are our pricings, guys? Our basic pricing is $29 a month for 3 clients. So basically, you white label our products for $29 a month, and you can support up to 3 clients for this, and unlimited agents for each one of them. You get the full dashboard, everything that I showed you. Let's go to the campaign as well. So you can see the campaigns, everything here, like what's going on. And in your agency dashboard, let's actually see agency. Where is it? Agents. Okay, dashboard. Yeah, so in your dashboard, you can see all the call recordings, notes, everything like that, what's going on, right? Basically, you've got everything here. And this is all for $29. You can support up to 3 clients, okay? Everything is there. So the difference is mainly on how many clients you can have, that's it. With a starter plan of $97 a month, you support up to 10 clients. And, okay, so here's the thing. You also get access to webhooks. Basically, you can customize it. I mentioned you don't need N8N and make.com, but in case you want to super productize it, you can use them, right? And in here, you get support calls with us. If you go to CloserX.ai, let me actually log out. So you're gonna see Talk to Luna here. Basically, this is our AI that will connect you to a real human. You've got 24/7 support here, And mainly, I mean, if you're even having a basic plan, we are there. But a $97 plan, we're gonna give you premium support, obviously, because we need to make sense out of this and out of our development team's time. And with $297, you get unlimited clients. So guys, with $297, you have our exact software for unlimited clients. Now just imagine that. Like, you can have unlimited clients for $297 every single month. A software that we've been building over and over. And we've spent a lot of time on it, right? And I told you our AI usage price is starting from 10 cents every single minute, and you can resell for any price you like, right? So let's say a client of yours talks and uses a software for 50,000 minutes. You can earn $5,000 if you have a 10-cent margin, right? And if you're doing 25 cents per minute, you can have $7,500 in monthly profit just on usage, right? So if you're ready to go, you know where to sign up, and I'm gonna be waiting for you, and very excited for this, guys. Ciao.